Hello, join me today for a 15-minute mobility flow. We are going to focus on the neck, back, and spine. But before we begin, if you've been enjoying my YouTube videos, I would love to invite you to my membership space. Inside, you will find full-length videos, 30-day challenges, weekly group classes, and monthly calendars to help you stay consistent and support your Qigong journey week by week. Join today or find more information in the description below. Begin in a standing position with your feet underneath your hips, your knees slightly bent, your lower back relaxed, your tailbone resting down. Take a moment to settle in and become aware of your body. From here, on an inhale, go ahead and reach up through the crown of the head, elongating through the spine. On the exhale, allow your body to soften. Inhale as you gently push through the back of the neck and the crown of the head. Exhale as you relax. Repeat, focusing on gently elongating through the spine. One more time. From here, we're going to perform a couple of upward stretches. Go ahead and raise your hands to shoulder height. This one is good for opening the chest, engaging the connective tissues in your arms and your torso. Gently lift over the crown of the head and press upwards, lengthening and elongating through the entire body. Release, allowing all the muscles to relax. Go ahead and repeat. Taking your time to engage with your body. Feel the muscles lengthening, creating that space in the body. Allow everything to relax. One more time. There's a bee trying to land on the flower. Focusing what sensations are happening as you hold your hands. And pay attention to elongating through the muscles of the back, opening through the back of the neck, and release it all. From here, we begin our spinal rotation. Keep the movement gentle, especially if this is your first exercise of the day. Moving from your hips and your core. Allow the upper body to stay relaxed. Begin to create space in your chest, in your shoulders, middle back. Begin to notice all the different areas in your body, engaging with all the muscles, especially in your lower body, across the abdomen, the lower back. Then go ahead and gently knock under your navel and the center of the lower back. These two areas in our body represent two energy systems, yin and yang. The one is deeply nourishing, restorative. The other one is that fire, the activity that we need to do things. Balancing the two energies is very important for our overall health and vitality. By knocking on those areas, we gently stimulate the acupressure points and the entire region. Feel that vibration penetrating into your body. Feel your lower abdomen and the lower back awaken. Feel the energy beginning to move more efficiently through those areas. Then, to help our liver and natural detoxification, go ahead and knock on the lower ribs. A few more times. Then letting your arms naturally unwind, begin to slow down the movement. Notice how you feel. From here, going into the spinal wave, white crane drinking from a sand pond, beautiful long neck imitating the movement of a bird, approaching the water and then drinking up. The movement is fluid, it's soft, it's easy on the back. Remember, you can always adjust the range of motion, the intensity. So if your back is sensitive, listen to your body and adjust accordingly. And last few times. Slowly roll back up. Allow your shoulders to soften, relaxing through the back. From here, we're going to do an exercise from the Muscle Tendon Change Classic. This is the Shaolin version, so a little bit more physically demanding. Feel free to adjust and lessen your efforts. We're going to lean forward as we bring the elbow to the opposite knee, stretching all the fascia, opening through the entire back. Then stand back up and turn to the side as we open the chest to the sky. Lean back. Make sure you feel more in your chest rather than the lower back here. Release and turn all the way to the back, twisting and wringing the entire body. Slowly release and return to center. Then change hands and repeat the sequence. Lean forward as you round your back. Keep the back of the neck nice and open. Pushing up through the feet. Raise up. Turn to the side and open your chest as you draw your shoulder and your elbow to the back. Make sure you relax as you transition across and turn all the way to the back. Return and relax. We're going to repeat twice more on each side. Avoid applying extra force. Make sure you're only using the weight of the head. Make sure you go down naturally without forcing the stretch. Slowly come back. Making sure you're fully engaging your lower body. Here, the lower body provides a great deal of support and stability for your torso. Slowly turning all the way to the back. And release. Slowly come back. Straighten up. Then turn to the side. Feel a nice opening across your chest. Stay relaxed in your body. As much as you want to engage those muscles, you want to experience both tension and relaxation. This moment definitely a relaxing one. So going all the way down to the knee. Open up through the chest. Then soften as you go across all the way to the back. Release, and we do one more repetition. Slowly sinking the body weight into your lower body, into your hips. Feeling supported and stable. Slowly roll back up. Allow the head to rest in your palm as you open up. Release here and return. Allow the hands to relax fully and taking as much time as you need to relax the back, relax your hips and your legs, and notice the internal activation. To help us decompress, we're going to open the chest once more, then drawing the hands up. Interlace your fingers and reach as high as you can. Engage in the body, yet feeling space and comfort as you stretch. Repeat twice more. Release the position, allowing the body to relax. Notice how you feel, if there's more space, more awareness, better circulation through the back of the neck, shoulders, lower back. And draw your hands to the lower dantian, the area just below the navel, a major energy center of our physical vitality. And let's focus our attention on that area for a few moments, cultivating a sense of peace, harmony, and balance. When you're ready, bring your feet together. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you feel a little lighter, a little looser in your body. Until next time, I wish you great health, and I'll see you soon.